Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing corn fried rice recipe. A quick and easy, healthy and filling meal for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using 1 ear of fresh sweet corn. So I'm going to remove the husk. And once the husk is peeled, remove the silk. And you can see that the corn is very tender. Next, I'm going to slice down the corn kernels with a knife. The corn kernels measure 1 cup. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood-pressed sesame oil, also known as till oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Wood-pressed sesame oil has a very neutral flavor and it is ideal for Asian cooking. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 6 to 7 garlic cloves chopped and saute the garlic until it starts to turn light golden brown in color. This will help the oil to infuse with the garlic flavor, which will give an amazing flavor to the corn fried rice. I'm adding in a handful of finely chopped white part of spring onion. Give it a quick stir. Add the corn kernels. Add in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Give it a good stir. Add in a splash of water. Cover and steam cook the corn kernels on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. At this point, the corn kernels are cooked nicely. Add in 1 green chilli finely chopped or as needed. Half of a capsicum chopped. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder and give it all a good mix. I'm using 2 cups of cooked rice for this recipe. Today I'm using a traditional variety of rice known as Thuyamalli rice. However, you can use any variety of rice you have at hand. You can also use cooked basmati rice instead of the rice I'm using. Add in some chopped spring onions. Give it a good stir. Also note that cooked and cooled rice is a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch not only helps in weight loss but also helps in good gut health. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of resistant starch. Do check it out to know more about resistant starch. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame. Add in 2 caps of apple cider vinegar. Add in 1 teaspoon coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is a healthier alternative to soy sauce. And give this all a good mix. Once nicely mixed, transfer the corn fried rice onto a serving bowl. Sprinkle some finely chopped spring onions. And my super healthy corn fried rice is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy corn fried rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time. Take care. Bye-bye.